What's going on? Nick here with Carl's Cycle Sales in Boise, Idaho. Today I have with me a 2019 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. This is one of our pre-owned bikes. Pretty good shape. Only found a few marks here and there. There's a little rub mark on the side plastic. There's a few small blemishes on the pipe. This thing's got brand new tires, front and rear. Still got the little hairs on it. It's got a Seat Concepts gripper seat. It's got the little grips on the side, little ridges on the top. Pretty nice. Factory edition's got some bling to it. Triples, hubs. Bike runs and rides great. It's got a little over 40 hours. It's got a disc guard on it in the front. Chain and sprockets look pretty new actually. Nice clean chain, sprockets look good. Really didn't see much else as far as any kind of cosmetic issues, just a few little typical dirt bike marks. It's got 41.1 hours. We're asking $69.99. It's a good deal. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us 208-853-5550. You can also 5550. You can also check out our website at carlcycle.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship all over. This is Nick with Carl's Cycle Sales in Boise, Idaho. Thanks for watching.